Amazon Web Services is the world's most widely adopted cloud platform, and understanding AWS has become an essential skill for anyone working in modern IT. This course is designed to help beginners build a strong, practical foundation in AWS, even with little or no prior cloud experience. It starts with a brief introduction to cloud computing concepts, providing just enough context to understand how AWS services work and why organizations rely on them. From there, the focus shifts squarely to AWS and its global cloud infrastructure. Learners explore AWS regions and availability zones, gaining a clear understanding of how AWS delivers scalability, high availability, fault tolerance, and global reach. The course then walks through core AWS services used in real-world environments. You'll learn how AWS manages identities and permissions with IAM, how compute workloads run on Amazon EC2 and AWS Lambda, and how data is stored and protected using Amazon S3. Database services such as Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon RDS are introduced, helping learners understand both NoSQL and relational use cases on AWS. As the course progresses, you'll explore application integration services, monitoring and logging with CloudWatch and CloudTrail, DNS and traffic routing with Amazon Route 53, DevOps fundamentals with infrastructure as code, and an introduction to AWS AI and machine learning services. Security concepts are woven throughout, reinforcing best practices and the AWS shared responsibility model. With clear explanations and hands-on learning, this course equips learners with the confidence to navigate AWS, understand its core services, and build a solid foundation for real-world AWS usage.